everyone. Today we are going to take a look how FC Connect help to integrate the data between Kibo Commerce and Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So to synchronize your data, we are having some integration points listed in our organization. So initially we are going to start off with the customer synchronization, which will be done from Business Central to Kibo Commerce. So we have configured all of the integration point in our portal, in our product FC Connect, portal.fcconnect.com. This is our cloud portal. In this portal, we configure all of your business logic from app chosen to deploy to execution. All of the things will be done over this page itself in this cloud portal. So here you can able to see that this is the start node and this is the destination node, and to map between both of the application we have this mapper node. This is how we configure our process flow. The page which is showing at your end, this is our process flow architecture. So if I talk about if I go to the plus sign, you can be able to see there are lots of applications are listed over here. You need to just drag and drop it to the canvas, and there you just need to give the basic details like the description, protocol, REST API, and then you can save and close your required applications. So let me just go to the exact product demo. So initially we have customer synchronization, which will be done from Business Central to Kibo Commerce side. So this is our Business Central demo account. So I'm going to create a new customer over here with a few details like the number, the name. So as you can see over here, I have added the few details to create a new customer in the Business Central side with the few details like number, the name, and if I scroll down a bit, you can be able to see I have given some address for this particular customer. I have given the phone number and the required email ID, and if I scroll down a bit, you can be able to see there is an application ID. 17 is the application ID for Kibo Commerce. As this Business Central is associated with lots of e-commerce or the marketplaces, so we have come up with solution with the AEC customer. In the AEC customer page, we are maintaining the application ID, which is 17 for Kibo Commerce. So now I'm just going to save it, and we'll wait for a few seconds, and the data will be synchronized to our destination application. So now we will check in our Kibo Commerce account that our customer has been synchronized successfully. So as you can see, this is our Kibo Commerce demo account, and here in the customer tab, we are going to search by the customer name, which was David Pike. So here in the search button, I'm going to search by the customer name. So yes, as you can see that the customer has been successfully synchronized from Business Central to Kibo Commerce with the exact name, with exact email address, and with the exact address which has been synchronized successfully. And also here you can able to see that there is an email ID, the first name, last name, username has been synchronized successfully. So we have showcased you integration point customer add from Business Central to Kibo Commerce. Now this is the time to synchronize the data from Kibo Commerce to Business Central. For that reason, I am going to create a new user ID over here. So I have added the customer over here. Now I will be giving the address for this particular customer. So here in the address book, I'm going to add the address. So as you can see that address, in the address tab, I have added all of the address, and I'm going to save the particular customer. So as you can see that the account or the customer has been created successfully. Now wait for a few seconds, the data will be automatically synchronized to our destination application. So this is our Business Central account. Now I will be searching by the customer name, that was Rakesh. So as you can see that the customer has been successfully synchronized from Kibo Commerce to Business Central as well, with the name, with the number. And if I scroll down a bit, here is the address, here is the email address has been successfully synchronized. And if I scroll down a bit, you can be able to see that as I have told you that there is a 17 is the application ID for Kibo Commerce, so that it also has been synchronized successfully. So now this is a time to update customer from one of the direction. So what I will be doing, I will be updating a customer in Kibo Commerce, and that will be synchronized to our Business Central side. So allow me some time to do that. So what I will be doing, this is the customer with which I'm going to update something. So let's say I'm updating the last name. So initially that was Mane, and now I am just adding Krush. Now let me save this. So let's just check whether our customer has been updated from Mane to Krush. So I'm just going to search by the customer name. So yes, as you can see that the last name has been successfully changed from Mane to Bruce. So now this is the time to synchronize the product from Business Central to Kibo Commerce side. For that reason, I'm going to create a new product over here in the Business Central side. So let me go to the item tab, and there I will be giving the mandatory details or the basic details to create a new item over here. I need to give the description over here. Let's say that is Titan Red watch. I have to give the unit price for this particular customer. And these are the basic details which is needed to synchronize our product from Business Central to Kibo Commerce. And here in the price section, I'm going to add a new price, and I have to give the weight for this particular product. The product has been successfully created over here, and let's just wait for a few seconds, the data will be synchronized. So now as you can see that the product which was created in Business Central, that has been successfully synchronized with all of the details like the product title, product code, and if I scroll down a bit, you can be able to see that there is a long description also has been synchronized, and with the price. So this is the product synchronization from Business Central to Kibo Commerce. Now I will be creating a new product which is from Kibo Commerce to Business Central. So now we have created the product in Kibo Commerce with few details like the product title, the product code, product type, and some short description and long description I have given. And here in the unit price, we have given the price as 200. And here in the travel stock level, we are allowing the allow batch order. So now we are just waiting for a few seconds. The data will be synchronized to our destination application. So now as you can see, if I search whether our product has been synchronized or not, so as you can see that our product has been successfully synchronized with the basic descriptions like the number description. And if I scroll down a bit, you can be able to see that there is the unit price also has been synchronized. So here is the unit price, as you can see. So now this is the time to synchronize the sales order from Kibo Commerce to Business Central side. So as you can see over here that our order has been successfully confirmed over here in the Kibo Commerce side, and we will wait for a few seconds. The data will be synchronized to our Business Central side. So now let's just check in the Business Central whether our sales order has been synchronized or not. So our customer name was Rakesh. Now I'm just going to search by the customer name. So yes, as you can see over here that our sales order has been successfully synchronized with the details of customer. And if I scroll down a bit, In the lines tab, the product descriptions has been also synchronized. And if I scroll down a bit, there is also the price sections has been also synchronized. So yes, with this we have completed our demo between Kibo Commerce and Business Central.